Hi dear students, let's see this question that came in JEE Advance, Paper-1, Physics in the year 2021. The question is from the topic of optics, more specifically TIR. This is a multiple choice correct question. This was one of the better questions in Paper-1, but overall question was not very difficult. So let's see what's happening over here. There's a slab which consists of two refractive indices. That means basically this is made up of two different medium N1 and N2. There's and here it is air. That means above N2 there's air. So a ray is coming at an angle of theta with respect to the normal drawn on N1 and N2. It is given that sine theta is slightly more than 1 by N1. Sine theta is slightly more than 1 by N1. The refractive index of air is 1. We have to choose the correct options. So the options are that light will enter air if N1 is equals to N2. Light will be finally reflected back into the medium if N2 is less than N1. Light rays finally reflected back into the medium N1 if N2 is greater than N1. Light is reflected back into the medium of refractive index N1 if N2 equals to 1. Basically, we have to talk about that. The question is interesting. If you see one important thing, 1 by N1 is the critical angle for N1 and air interface. So what I'm saying is for N1 and air, theta c, or we can say sine of theta c will be 1 by N1. We know this. Okay. Now this theta is greater than theta c. It's given that sine theta की value 1 by N1 से बड़ी है. That means this theta is greater than theta c. This theta c. Okay. Now this has a implication कि irrespective of the value of N2, light will be reflected back in this medium. N2 की चाहे जो भी वैल्यू हो, लाइट इस मीडियम में तो वापस आएगी ही आएगी. ठीक है, ये अपन कैसे बोल सकते हैं? लेट्स सी. मैं तुम्हें इसका बहुत ही प्यारा सॉल्यूशन बताऊंगा, बहुत ही अमेजिंग. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. दिस इज N1, दिस इज N2 and this is air. So as I said, irrespective of the value of N2, light is going to get reflected. ठीक है. Now this is theta. Okay. Now let's consider all possible exhaustive cases. Depending whether N2 is denser or rarer with respect to N1, यहाँ पे क्या हो सकता था? Light could have gone like this. Light ऐसे जा सकती थी. और if N1 N2 बराबर होते तो light ऐसे जा सकती थी straight. और अगर N2 rarer होता, N1 denser, तो फिर light would have went away from the normal. या फिर ऐसा भी हो सकता था कि यहीं पे ही TIR हो जाता, मतलब डिपेंडिंग N2 की वैल्यू क्या है. ओके, सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से कि आई एम टेकिंग ऑल पॉसिबल केसेस कि या तो लाइट विल बेंड टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्मल, और it will go straight if N1 N2 is same, or if N2 is rarer N1 is denser, then it will bend away from the normal, और N2 की कुछ ऐसी वैल्यू है such that यहीं पे TIR हो जा रहा है. ठीक है, so these are exhaustive cases, correct. अब अगर यहीं पे TIR हो गया, that means ray has come back in medium N1. ठीक है, तो उस केस में BCD सही हो गए. ठीक है, उस केस में BCD सही हो गए. ठीक है, सॉरी, उस केस में BCD सही हो गए, करेक्ट. नाउ for the remaining three cases, that means this case, this case, I will prove ray will eventually it will suffer, मतलब TIR at this interface. देखते हैं. ठीक है, तो now if this angle is theta, so whatever is this angle R, ठीक है, अब ये R थीटा से बड़ा हो छोटा हो, ठीक है, या इक्वल भी हो, ठीक है, तो ये एंगल भी R होगा, राइट. अब अगर ये एंगल R है तो कुछ ये एंगल मान लेते हैं E. आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि रे एयर में चली गई. ठीक है, लेट अस अज्यूम कि ये रे एयर में चली गई. तो अगर इफ रे एयर में चली गई, दैट मींस यहाँ पे एंगल E एग्जिस्ट कर जाएगा, एंगल ऑफ इमर्जेंस विल एग्जिस्ट. नाउ आई कैन अप्लाई स्नेल्स लॉ एट दिस इंटरफेस एंड दिस इंटरफेस. So this is N1, this is N2, this is air. I can directly apply Snell's law from here to here. N1 sin theta equals to N2 sin R equals to 1 sin E. Okay, so N1 sin theta is equals to 1 sin E. Okay, this will be equals to N2 sin R as well. ठीक है, अब sin theta की वैल्यू कितनी आई? Sin E upon N1, which was greater than 1 by N1 in the question. Sin theta was greater than 1 by N1, which means sin E is greater than 1, which is impossible. Hence, you can see कि irrespective of the value of R, sin E 1 से बड़ा आ जा रहा है अगर अपन assume कर लेते हैं कि ये रे एयर में आ जा रही है. Hence it's not possible कि ये एयर में आए. तो या तो यहाँ पे TIR होगा, अगर यहाँ पे नहीं हुआ तो फिर इस इंटरफेस पे तो पक्का TIR होगा. I hope you would have understood. Beautiful solution. So we can say that this is wrong. B, C, D is right. Ray will be reflected in the medium N1 if N1 is less than N2. If N1 is greater than N2, मतलब for any case, it will be reflected back. So I hope you would have understood the solution. That's it. Thank you.